Welcome back to Wave3 Listens. You may have heard a lot about hormone therapy lately, but at Nova Health, they do it just a little bit differently. This is going to interest you. If you want to feel better, be more youthful, more energy, let's talk a little bit to the experts from Nova Health. Jan Atkins is with us. She is a medical consultant. Jan, welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
Margie McMahon. Margie, you are a client, correct?
Yes, I am.
Well, you look fabulous.
Well, bless your heart.
And you're bubbly. Your energy's right there.
Yeah,
you're
definitely.
very TV friendly. All right. Well, thank you for coming in. And also Dr. John Farmer, who is a board-certified gynecologist and also works with Nova Health. Dr. Farmer, welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
All right, let's cut to the chase. So I mentioned that hormone therapy, it is in the news a lot. A lot of people are advertising and talking about it, but you do things a little bit differently. Tell me about the hormone therapy that's available at Nova Health.
Well, we use all-natural products, and our pellets are implanted under the skin where they are slowly absorbed over a period of about 3 months. We treat both men and women and get very good success with our patients. Relieve women who come to see us a lot of times have hot flashes, night sweats. Usually within a couple of weeks those are totally gone. People are fatigued, low sex drive, all of those things we can reverse.
All right.
And it's all done in a natural way, and you know, over a period of 3 months, these pellets are completely dissolved, so they're out of your system.
See, now, I love what you're saying, but we've got Margie here, and I agree. I've heard from your clients, and they're very happy with the results they're receiving. Margie, you are a client.
Yes,
okay,
I am.
so tell me about, you probably heard about the competition and things that they're doing over there, and that's all fine and good, but you chose Nova Health.
Mm-hmm.
Are there some differences, and are you happy with the results?
I started going to Nova Health about 5 years ago, and it's been one of the best things that I ever did. Before I went, you know, I was a mess. I was tired. I was having hot flashes all day, night sweats at night, and just miserable. And I talked to my girlfriends. They were like, go see the doctor, get on some medicine. And I don't like to take medicine and pills. And so when I saw the commercial on TV, I thought, I'm just going to call. And so I went and met with Dr. Farmer and Jan, and they explained the whole procedure to me and how healthy and low maintenance, or no maintenance, that it is. And so I love it. I'll never stop doing it.
I love hearing that. Jen, you're the face of Nova Health, and you talk to patients who have the same results, and you probably hear the same message. So if you were explaining to maybe someone who's considering hormone therapy, what would you tell them? What is the difference? Why go with Nova Health?
Well, first and foremost, Dr. Farmer has been a gynecologist for 36 years. You've been working with bioidenticals for about 20, so he pretty much knows hormones forward and backward. He's excellent at getting people leveled out and keeping them where they need to be. Second, we use a very high quality pellet. It's never heat treated. The pellets are customized for the patient's particular needs. And, you know, we pride ourselves on taking exemplary care of our patients.
I know you do.
And she's been with us for 5 years, and
Yeah, no
she gets
complaints.
phone calls all the time.
I know, my
from her
girlfriends are like, tell me about this.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, I love hearing that. So what are some of the symptoms, if there's some ladies and gentlemen who are watching now, and they're saying, okay, are you feeling the following? What are some warning signs that maybe you need to see Nova Health?
Lack of sleep, fatigue, irritability, hot flashes, night sweats, joint pain, low sex drive. It can cause headaches. I mean, the list just goes on, and unfortunately, it all kind of snowballs. It's kind of a vicious cycle if you don't reel it in.
Okay, well, let's talk about the advantages of pellets. Now, some people, they think pellets, they think, okay, these, you know, big old pellets. I want you to take a look at this, and I really want to give you some kind of a understanding of the size, something that you can compare to. But look, here's a pellet. There we go. Look, and there's my finger there. You see, that's it. Okay, so how many of these pellets would you implant in someone? So, and the advantages too, if you would.
Well, the advantage is certainly that, first and foremost, it's natural.
Time released.
Time released, customized. Also, you know, a lot of people don't like to take pills, or they forget to take pills. You know, it's time releasing into your bloodstream. It doesn't go through the liver. It's doing what it needs to do, and you don't have to worry about it. And you carry on with your life and you know, the change is incredible.
Wow. So, Dr. Farmer, I would think also one of the advantages would be, and tell me if I'm wrong, you don't have the swings. If you're getting shots, you know, you may be good for half the week, and then you start feeling down, and then you come back up. This, with the pellets, time released, they stay in your system, so you're good, right?
Exactly. It's like a roller coaster with everything else, but with pellets, it's just a very nice, even level that gradually drops off over about a 3-month period.
So for 3 months, you're fantastic. No maintenance. I like the sound of that. Okay, Jan, also, I wanted to ask you about something. I know Nova Health also, this isn't the only thing that you do. You've got some new diet. Okay, so tell me a little bit about it, because I think, you know, when I'm talking to professionals, medical professionals, that's when I'm interested in a diet. I don't want a fad diet. I want to talk about something that's medically safe, and I know that's important to you at Nova Health. So tell me about your new diet.
Definitely. We've put a lot of research in it. We've had some trial patients to test it out before we released anything. It's called the ASAP diet. It's as slim as possible.
I like that. ASAP, as slim as possible.
Yes.
There we go.
There are 3 components to the diet, and it's pretty amazing. We're very excited about it. People can go to asapdiet.com, or they can also visit our website to get information on that.
Can you give me just a few of the details? What makes it different? I mean, what's the different approach about the ASAP diet?
There is something called a super booster that's involved in the diet that really helps with the metabolism, and there are 2 other components. Of course, the consultation is always free.
All right, fantastic. The ASAP diet, I like the sound of that. And what kind of results are you getting thus far? I know you've said you've had a few patients. You went on a couple of trials, and how's it working?
They are very happy. Very, very happy. So.
All right. Fantastic. Margie, I'm going to ask you before we let you go here. Okay, if you are, and you are, talking to quite a few folks, maybe some have been a little apprehensive about getting started with hormone therapy. What would you tell them?
To make the call, that they have nothing to lose. I mean, it can change. I mean, you'll feel like you're in your 20s and your 30s again. It's amazing.
20s and 30s again?
Yeah.
All right, sold. I think we're all in.
Sign me up.
Dr. Farmer, you hear reviews like this all the time. Is this, the things that Margie's saying, is this pretty common when you're talking to patients and they come back in after a couple of months? What do they say?
Well, you know, most of our patients have been with us for a long time, and the fact that they continue to come back and see us, obviously they're getting good results. So they've been very happy, and you know, I think we change a lot of people's lives, make them feel better.
All right, Jan, for those who are watching, they're interested, you have their attention. First step would be give your office a call, and you mentioned the consultation is free. Tell us about that.
Consultation is always free. They'll come in and fill out some simple paperwork, and we explain everything, go over everything in great detail, go over their medical history, and make sure they're a really good candidate. And we do have a special for Wave 3 viewers. If they mention the show, they will get $300 off a hormone package.
Wow. That's not too shabby. Nova Health, $300 off Wave 3 Listens viewers only.
Absolutely.
Off the Nova hormone package.
Yes.
Like the sound of that. Now, for those who may, you look at Margie and you say, she looks familiar. She's on the U of L dance team, and she's unbelievable. She does somersaults, and it's like all this energy, and everybody goes, wow, I wish I could be like her. How's that going for you? Really well?
Great.
She went right with that.
Yeah.
All right, I appreciate it.
I'm going to be busy Saturday.
I know you will be.
Yeah.
Yes.
You better cheer on the cards,
Yeah.
and I think you will. Dr. Farmer, thank you again for your expertise. I appreciate that. Sorry things got a little loose here. It's a lot of fun. We have fun on this show.
I'm used to it.
I know you are. Jan, thank you very much.
Thank
Thanks for
you.
coming on. Again, Nova Health, give them a call. As she mentioned before, the consultation is absolutely free. There's the information up on the screen. As you can tell, it is Feel Good Friday. If you want to feel good, give Nova Health a call. We'll be right back on Wave 3 Listens.